As has been the case for many of our recent winter days, the Lone Star Model A Ford Club December Restoration Workshop was blessed with near perfect Texas weather. By my count, the workshop had about 14 cars and nearly 24 people in attendance. Speaking of blessed, it was our good fortune to once again have Max Phillips as host for the workshop. His garage, combined with the covered part of the entrance and the winding driveway, made an idyllic setting for a gathering of friends and fellow Ford Model A enthusiasts. Jim Ferguson made the rounds and offered a free coil polarity check with his neat little spark light gizmo. I was privy to several tests performed and even witnessed someone running with a reverse polarity on their coil. Jim tells me of the 5 vehicles tested, 3 had reverse polarity. Yes, the car will run that way, but not at its most efficient, losing about 10 to 15% power. A little while into the workshop, folks gathered round to hear some words of wisdom from our host. Max prompted members to try something new and become more involved in the club. He praised current and past volunteers and encouraged everyone to consider doing something for the club they had not done previously. Using Paul Ranney's old caliper, an impromptu alignment session blossomed mid-driveway. Many a hand was waved around, as well as opinions as to how to go about doing what was needed. One truck and one car now have a better tow in and out situation. On a nearby coupe, a broken shock mount was determined to be irreparable with the tools on hand, but arrangements were made for a proper fix elsewhere. What fine examples of club members helping their fellow enthusiasts in the true spirit of a restoration workshop. These were only a couple examples of the good deeds done that day. Also, let's not forget the restoration workshops would not come to be without the organizing efforts of Ron Taylor and Al Bond as workshop committee chairs. Thanks, guys. And we look forward to seeing you, dear viewer, at the next Lone Star Model A Ford Club workshop.